Hello, myself Tushar Patel from Srimati J.B. Patel College of Commerce Studies and Research, managed by Anand People's Medicare Society, affiliated to Sardar Patel University. Course name BCom. Year TY BCom, Semester 5. Subject Business Ethics. Subject code UB05 SCOM 21. Unit number 1. In this lecture, we will learn about the advantages of business ethics. Before learning the advantages of business ethics, one must understand that what is the meaning of ethics. Business ethics is, which means what is right or what is wrong in the business. It requires some ethical principles or has a great features in business environment. Thus, business ethics refers to the principles which has a very important role in the business. It says what is right and what is wrong. For example, taking money is very false. If some businessman is taking money which is not truly loyal, so which is wrong, or who is making a fraud in a company, which is also not a ethical work. So business ethics says that what is right and what is wrong. So there were many features in business ethics. For example, there were many features like it issues that business houses face in operating their action. Business ethics is different from business to business in a very different or in a relative form. Business ethics is very different from one business to another business and another business to third business. It goes beyond the idea of making money, as business ethics doesn't require money but it required legal action. So business ethics goes beyond the making money, but it is a legal action. It has to accepted a self-discipline by a businessman, not by the law, as business ethics is not forced by the law. It is not forced by the law, but it is accepted by a discipline. A businessman should be know what is right and what is wrong. It requires a formal education, some training guidance in order to motivate the businessman in the ethical principle. So business ethics doesn't require any education but requires some main or formal education. Business ethics has a universal application. It is a code of conduct which begins and says that should be followed while conducting the normal activities also. It is far from reaching the concept and goes beyond the idea of making money, as it is told earlier that business ethics is far from the idea of making money, as business ethics also contains a very legal action. So it doesn't have the importance of money but has the importance of legality or loyalty. It works a great deal in making a very long term and a very long lasting relationship. So business ethics reaches at a very long relationship between customer and another one. Business ethics is based on well accepted morals and social values. So business ethics is morals and social values. Practice of business ethics gives a great protection to the customer and other social group. For example, the ad which was coming, Jago Grahak Jago. Customer satisfaction is our satisfaction. The another idea was there. One was Jago Grahak Jago and second was customer satisfaction is our satisfaction, which is a great example of business ethics. Business ethics provide legal, moral, social, economical limits within the business can be conducted. As it is not forced by the law, but it should be accepted by the discipline. One must have a discipline that this is not right and he knows that what is right and what is wrong. Thus, this was the features of business ethics. And at last, one can say that a thought before action can avoid many failures, because or before taking any decision, managers should be think or anyone should be think that this action will be make a many failure or treated it a very other issues. It can make many issues. So ethical issues must be observed in business ethics, in finance, in accountancy and in management or in marketing. In every area, business ethics has its perfect work. So one must take some thinking before doing the action. For example, if someone is taking a money very illegally, for example, a 2 BHK flat is of 10 lakh, but the market price is 10 lakh, but he is taking 15 lakhs because he can get a black profit of 5 lakhs. One can understand that 2 BHK flat is of 10 lakh, but he is taking 15 lakh as he wants some black money. So as business ethics says that one must know that what is right and what is wrong, and this action was wrong. So this was not a very pure business ethics. He is playing with the customers. He knows that the customer will take the 2 BHK flat, and because of this he is taking black money of 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs, which means pure 5 lakhs black money. So this is not right. It was not against the protection of the customer and the society. So this was not right. As this was some features of business ethics, now let us talk. There are many advantages of business ethics, like attracting workforce, investors' loyalty, customer satisfaction, strong teamwork and greater productivity, helps to change the management, reduces fraud, etc. Now let us talk them the advantages one by one. Number one, attracting workforce. Number one, attracting talented workforce. As companies with high legal values are able to attract more talented workforce in the organization or in the management because of the ethical behavior of the employees and the employer, they are satisfied with the present job, and so they do not leave their present job, and because of this the company can control the labor work. Company or management with high level of ethical conduct can maintain a great talented employees with result in higher productivity in management or in an organization. As one can see in the picture that a good company which has very name and fame in the society can attract a good talented workforce. For example, a company Jio or Reliance which has a very great name and fame in the industry or in the society can attract a very good workforce, because these are the companies who are very satisfied with the customer and also with the employees. Both are satisfied with Reliance Jio, and because of this reason one cannot drop out the job, and because of this reason a great talented workforce is maintained in the management. Investors loyalty. Investor also focus on ethical behavior, social responsibility and reputation of the company in which they want to invest their money or their savings. Relationship between a company and the investors are dependent on trust, commitment and the reputation of the company. Through ethical behavior, company can establish the confidence in the mind of investors, as investor makes or save their money, and because of this reason company can produce their talented work. But what does it means that if the investor doesn't invest their money or their saving in the company? One means that that is not a good company for the investment. One has the example of mutual fund, that if someone gain a profit or someone get a loss, but in the many investor gain profit in the good reputation company. So relationship between a company and the investor are depend on trust, loyalty and commitment of the company and the investor. You can see in the picture there are two hands. One is the company's hand and second is the investor's hand, and both will meet and make a great mindset of investor and also the company because of the ethical behavior of the company. Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the most important factor for long lasting success of the any business. If company is dealing in a very ethical or any good way towards the customers, for example he is delivering goods in very perfect time, the goods have very great quality with a reasonable price, etc., then the customers are very satisfied with the company. Such kind of business achieves a great and a very loyal relationship between the customer and the company, which helps in future to increase the sales and the product and the profit of the company. So customer satisfaction is the most important factor in the ethics or in the success of the business. So one must deal who can think that customer satisfaction is my satisfaction or customer's satisfaction is the company's satisfaction. He is not dealing with the customer, but he is dealing with a family member. By this thinking, a great ethical environment should be shared between customer and the company. strong teamwork. As employees feels a very strong teamwork between their values and the organization, resulting into a great motivation and better performance. Ethical behavior of company helps in leading a very high level of coordination between the employees in this. For example, if any organization or the management is giving extra money of overtime, then a very good teamwork contains between the company and the employees. So this provides a great teamwork between them. But if what the money is not provided at a perfect time to a employee, the the employee will doesn't like the job, as money is very important factor in the job. So because of this reason, the employer is not giving the employee a good money of his job. Because of this reason, the employer doesn't have a good productivity. Helps in change management. For drastic change in the management, the manager have to get support of lower level staff. Ethical behavior of company helps in creating mutual trust, confidence amongst all the people of the management, which makes a great change in a very easy way. As we know that the lower level staff knows very good about the company. So because of this reason, if the company wants to make some change, he has to get the support of the lower level employees. And because of the support of the lower levels employees or the management can take a good change in the company or in the management. Reduces fraud. Ethical activities in the organization help in addressing any violent or fraud so early that it can't be occur. In past we have seen many examples of fraud in the company or in the management. Ethical practice of company do not give the opportunity to employees or to anyone to make such kind of fraud. For example, this is a picture of Punjab National Bank, a very popular fraud. So if the ethical activities was done in the Punjab National Bank, there was no opportunity of employees to make any kind of fraud. So it can reduce fraud. Builds a good reputation. Any management that deals ethically with its all stakeholders, investors and the customers, and because of this reason he creates a great brand image in the mind of the society. There are so many good companies in India who had created a very good image with a great ethical way. For example, Tata, Wipro, Reliance, etc. So in India there are many great ethical companies who has made profit in a very good way, but in a ethical way. They doesn't have any kind of fraud or any kind of unethical behavior to the customer or to the society. And because of this good reputation, for example, Tata, Wipro has made a good reputation in the world. Long-term strategies. As in the feature of business ethics, We have said that ethics is a very long term business. It is not a very small term business. Ethics is a long time, or for example, it is a ever life business. It is not a small business. And because of this reason, ethical conduct decides the value of the management towards the quality of all areas in the business. This also requires the performance, the measurement, the reliability, and the all contribution of the management. One can see in the picture that a very small plant is made a very big because it has a long term strategies. For example, a great example is Dhirubhai Ambani, who had made a very small business to a very great business. From a very long term, he had made the Reliance company. Overall growth of the society. Business management influences the society in a very significant manner. The ethical conduct of the management helps in to improving the culture, behavior of the society. Over a long term of life, society can gain a great ethical approach of company towards government, shareholders, investors, and employees, etc. So, one of the main advantage is the overall growth of the society by a very great ethical way. Pressure to be ethical. Nowadays, business organization experience a great pressure for the ethical standards. For example, government's rules, some trade unions, NGO, and media requires to behave ethically, and because of this reason, there is a great pressure to become ethical. By ensuring ethical conduct, the risk of government and legal battles in the law court shall be minimum. Employees growth. An ethical work environment offers appropriate career and a good opportunity to the employees. Objective performance appraisals and training programs also contribute to all around the world the development of the employees. One can see that in the picture that an employee is growing very good as he is forwarding a step by step and making his performance very good as he can be grown with a great opportunities. Better workplace management. Business ethics helps in maintaining a better workplace as it is free from discrimination, harassment, and any exploitation. This results in minimum and lesser legacy and exploitation, as if a great business ethics is there in a very workplace, there will be no discrimination. For example, the best discrimination example was black and white, as black skin was not good and white skin was good. which was made by the Britisher to the Indians, and same harassment of the women. The another example is the harassment which is done to the woman in the company. So this was the main workplace management's work. Avoids violence. Ethical conduct requires strictly with law, rules and regulations, and because of these laws, rules and regulations, it helps to minimize unethical decisions, fraud, scams and scandals, as minimizing this type of thing implies the minimize of the risk to the government, investors and the legal battles between the investors and the company. Also it helps to provide some violence. For example, it helps the business to avoid the wastage of money and time, and because of this reason avoid of the violence will make the loss of the company's reputation very minimized. As there will be no violence in the company, a good reputation will be made of the company. Thus, this was the main advantages of business ethics. It has, or for example, it attracts great customers, investor loyalty, a good teamwork, reduces fraud, a good reputation of the company, and at last, because of the reputation of the company, the growth of the society is good. So this was the main advantages of the companies. Thanks for enjoying the video.